Welcome guys, you are welcome. In this video I'm going to explain in practical step how to upload videos, long videos onto Facebook using publishing tool. And I'm going to explain that if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. If you have any question or any guide that you really want to learn about or know about, kindly put in the comment section so that I will be able to see that and I would reply or do video explaining it. So in this guide I'm going to literally walk you through the basic step. Okay, Facebook has an account. If you go to Facebook, let me create an incognito browser page so that I'll be able to show you this. If you just go to Facebook by typing into your browser facebook.com, it's going to take you to a login page. Here you can create a new account. If you are new to using Facebook, you are welcome. Okay, but if you have account already, you can just enter your username and the password. Then what this takes you to is having access to the account. This is the account, and when you get to your account, let me come back to my account. I can log in straight by just entering facebook.com at the browser, and it's going to just redirect to my Facebook account. Now this is my account. Of course I can do live video with this by just clicking live video, and I can click on this photo and video and upload video. Okay, but some people still ask that what about long videos, whereby you really want to set up a video page with your Facebook. So that means that you have to select or you have to create a page. Now how to create a page, I've done videos on that. Let me just click on this create button and you select a page, and with these you can easily do so many other things. You can create a post, you can create a story, you can create a page, you can create a group and what a view. So you just click on create a page and you set your page up with the banner and the favicon and what have you. And here is my own page. I'm Mojeed Fetuga. Once again, I'm into marketing solution. I build websites and I run marketing services on Facebook ads, on Google ads, social media, email marketing. Of course, this is my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos, practical videos. Okay, anything above 100 is lots of videos. Okay, on different topic or niches. So you are free to just pick any of these topics and help yourself grow. And I have a lot on the Facebook playlist. I have a complete more than 45 videos on Facebook. Okay, so let us get to it. How do you then create a video? How do you upload video contents on your Facebook page and make your Facebook viewers or engaging contents grow immensely? So we are looking at page now. Okay, a page is different from account. After your account, you can create a Facebook page, and from your page you can start building a video community. Now how do you get started? Now under this menu at the top, you can click on, you will see videos. Okay, you can click on videos. Once you click on videos, it's going to create your video account, and you'll see some of your videos that you uploaded and some of the comments. You can engage with your users and what have you. I have done this video on disabled accounts and some questions were asked. There are other videos you can always create and engage with people, create valuable information. So one of the ways is that you can just click upload videos, or you can go to Creator Studio. Now Creator Studio is one of the tools that is available within Facebook, and you can see that within your publishing tools. Let me just click on that. If you go to publishing tools, you will be able to have access to where are you? Come up, load. It's loading. Wow, why that one is coming up? Let me just quickly use this one to open my page. Okay, now you'll be able to see some of your pages, your posts, and how they have been, faring, and you will also be able to see your creator studio where you can create your content, or you can just come to your video directly and just upload your video content. Let me go to creators studio, and creator studio is another tool I'm going to in depth explain, God willing, in another video guide, where you can actually monetize your content and what have you from your application if you are using the app. And with this, you can easily see how your contents are engaging and how the insights and what have you. So long information, but let us go to upload video, because that is where we are and that is the focus. We just need to upload video. Let me click on upload video, and I want to upload a single video. Okay, and of course under creator studios you can actually go live. There are so many tools you can pick up from that. So I want to pick a video on my desktop, and the video is on introducing bulk WhatsApp sender. Okay, and that is a video I want to upload. WhatsApp bulk WhatsApp sender is a bot automation that can work with your WhatsApp. It's going to be very interesting. Kindly watch the video so that you get the information. So here I can just click on next. I can just click on, let me reduce this zoom so that I will be able to click on next, clear next. And now at the top here, I want to put in the title bulk WhatsApp sender. Okay, and here I will put a description. Bulk WhatsApp sender is a bot automation and information if you want to get the license and any other information available and all those. So having done that, the next thing I want to put is keywords. Okay, WhatsApp bulk WhatsApp sender, and as much as possible you can just put the tags. Now tags make your video find easier, because if anybody just put any of these tag content, WhatsApp or bulk WhatsApp sender on Facebook, your video can still come up. And this is a video itself, and I've put a description, I've put a title, and here we have the thumbnails. So I want to upload a thumbnail. I have to use a custom, and I'm adding an image, and the image is already in the download. Let me just click on bulk and pick the image. Okay, this, I'm still on desktop. Oh, an apology on that. I'm not on desktop. I'm going to downloads and pick on bulk, and I will see the image. This is an image I have created with Canva. I use Canva to create the image, and that's another video. I've done videos on Canva now, how you can create content on Canva and what have you. Then if you need more information about these guides, then feel free to put in the comments, or you chat me up. My information is in the description. Okay, I will be glad to give free guides or paid guides, as the case may be. Okay, but most of the time it should be free guides. Okay, and support. Now the upload is going, is just 90%, 91%. Once this gets ready, then I will just schedule the publishing. I can even publish it immediately. 97, 9900. Okay, we have, yes, it is ready. Then the next thing I want to press is the next button. Now this video can be published now, or I save it, I schedule it, or I do anything I want to do. and the video must be at least 3 minutes long. There's video description, there's tag, and the video is good. Now I have to add this video to a playlist, and of course I have a playlist available here. Under the playlist, I've created playlist, of course, digital marketing series, and now playlist is also done. I've optimized my content, and I can also publish this video on some other pages that are my own, because there are some pages that are not mine, that I manage for clients. Then I can publish on that. And I haven't done all this, I haven't posted and shared the information. I can just click on publish and the information goes live. So this is how you can publish video content on your Facebook using Creator Studio. And if you have found some values from this, kindly hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, or share this content, make a comment, follow my page, follow my Instagram, private chat me if you need any technical support. I build websites and I run digital marketing services for businesses, okay? And I say all the best.